In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new email to Google Workspace. And if you like to learn AI and tech tips, follow for more. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Google Workspace email account. That's not going to be somebody@gmail.com. It's going to be your name, your business name.com. Like mine is Dina@botsbelike.com. So you're going to log into that. And if you don't have icons here, it's going to show initials. So we're going to click on to where it says Google Apps, these 9 little dots. And then we're going to click onto the blue admin button here. And this is going to be where we can set up a new user. So you're going to go to this first blue bubble where it says users and click add a user. So you're going to add the person's first name, their last name, and then you're going to pick a name for them for their email address for your business. So it's going to be their name at your company workspacename.com. And then you're going to put in their address here, and then this is going to be able to send them instructions for their new Google Workspace email address. And you're going to click continue. So we're adding this in, and then all you have to do is click this blue button here. It says send sign in instructions, and you're going to go ahead and do that. That new user can use their new Google Workspace email in 24 hours. It will probably just be a few minutes from my experience. And please note that if you set up your account like this and your person has their own inbox, it will cost you more for every email user in Google Workspace, unless you send all the different names to the same Google Workspace email account. But we're not going to do that in this video. But if you like this video, it's been helpful, please leave a comment. Tell me what you think. If you have questions, go ahead and ask me those. And subscribe and follow for more. I'll see you next time.